Hi team, I'm Saul.
And I'm Howard. This season we're here to bring you the tech toys that help make exploring your state even better.
50 years ago, our dad started a business that was all about photography. And today we've got tech toys and gadgets that will not just record your adventure, they'll supercharge them.
Ready? Let's do this.
Tech toy 1, the drone.
An essential part of the DWA filming kit.
It'll record your adventure and make it look even more epic.
Especially this one. The DJI Air 2S is the Porsche of drones. It's got a 1-inch sensor with 20 megapixels, so it's able to catch stunning images. If you're into editing, you'll love it. And it's housed in this really sturdy metal alloy gimbal.
It's got not just 2 sensors, but 4. When you're flying, that does a couple of things.
Firstly, it makes it almost crash-proof. Set it in safe mode and it'll either stop or go around an obstacle. And secondly, it means better active tracking of people and cars. And a cool feature, master shots. Look, no hands. 5K resolution means unparalleled richness of colour and clarity, so your holiday shots are going to leave your friends wanting more. And it all fits neatly away.
It's a powerful bit of tech that'll change the way you remember your adventures. See you next week.